And I'm the creative director of the East African Soul Train. And I guess actually what I love to do is connecting people and ideas and visions. And I'm very interested in the transformative processes that we go through to get to the next level.
With artists, just like this creative energy on that train and the energy shaking.
Yeah.
And it was actually like this build-up, you know, this build-up to this like creative explosion, which actually just happened. Just people crossed boundaries, pushed edges, and for me that was like a major inspiration.
Refreshed, like entering the train, I always didn't have an expectation of what kind of people I would meet, but I met so many people from like all over the world just coming to East Africa just to experience the creative journey that we're taking.
Such great explosive energy, rhymes, so much like a collaboration style. Check me down on the beatbox, and man, it's just so nice.
One thing that made everything so perfect was definitely the people and the vibes. People were open-minded, people were just like ready for a good time, and it was fantastic. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Poppy Spowage, and I'm the creative producer of East African Soul Train 2016. We've had a fantastic journey. Thank you so much to What's Good Life, to Distant Relatives, to all of the Creatives Garage, and to every artist that has contributed so much, and also everybody that just jumped on board for an amazing experience and contributed so much. So thank you everybody, because it couldn't have happened without you.